We walk through this world every single day, and we kind of think we've got it figured out. But what if I told you that just beneath the surface, there's this entire secret world just thriving? Today, we are going to pull back the curtain and venture into that hidden realm to uncover some of nature's most mind blowing truths. So, I want you to think about this for a second. That park you walk through, the garden in your own backyard, what if it's hiding a whole other level of reality, one you've never even imagined was possible? I'm talking about a world where trees have their own secret internet, a way they can actually, well, talk to each other. And it doesn't stop there. We're talking about flowers that can hear what's going on around them. And get this, creatures that have figured out how to literally cheat death. Now, I know this probably sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But believe me, it is happening all around us, every single day. Okay, so let's dive right in. First up, we're uncovering the secret conversations happening right under our feet. The term for it is mycorrhizae. And yeah, it sounds a little complex, but think of it like this. It's basically a secret underground internet for trees. Seriously, it's this huge network of fungi that connects entire forests, letting trees share food and even send out warning signals about things like insect attacks. So they're not just standing there looking pretty, they're constantly communicating. And you know what? That hidden communication network, that's just the beginning. Let's dig into some of nature's other incredible, almost unbelievable superpowers. I mean, the plant kingdom alone is just packed with these things. Scientists have found that some flowers, like the evening primrose, can literally hear the buzz of a nearby bee. And in response, they make their nectar sweeter, like on the spot, to attract it. And then you've got the insane speed of a Venus flytrap, snapping shut in under a second. Or bamboo, which can grow, wait for it, up to 3 feet in a single day. That's just wild. But maybe the ultimate superpower belongs to the wood frog. Just look at this process. Okay, so winter rolls in. This little frog doesn't just get cold. It freezes completely, solid. I mean, its heart stops, it stops breathing, everything. But here's the magic. It has a natural antifreeze in its cells that keeps them from bursting. So then, when spring comes back around, what happens? The frog just thaws out and hops away, like nothing ever happened. It's this incredible, real-life suspended animation. That kind of superpower, right? That ability to survive, it's amazing on an individual level. But now, what happens when we zoom out? All these little miracles are taking place on a planet whose sheer scale and power is, well, it's just as mind-blowing. So let's try to put some of that into perspective.
All right, here's a fun one for you. What do you think there's more of? Trees right here on planet Earth or stars in our entire Milky Way galaxy? Take a guess.
The answer? It's trees. And honestly, it's not even close. Scientists estimate there are around 3 trillion trees on Earth. 3 trillion. Meanwhile, the Milky Way only has somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. Think about that. We live in a forest that is way, way vaster than our own galaxy's star field.
Okay, ready for another one? How often do you think lightning strikes our planets?
The number is just staggering. It's over 8 million times every single day. If you break that down, it means more than 100 lightning strikes are happening somewhere on the planet every single second. Our world is just constantly buzzing with this incredible electrical energy. And all that energy, it fuels life. Take the Amazon rainforest, for example. It's responsible for producing a staggering 20%. That's 1/5 of all the oxygen in the world. That's why we call it the lungs of the earth. It's not just a bunch of trees, it's literally breathing for us.
But for as vast as the land is, you know what's even bigger? Our oceans. They absolutely dwarf the land, covering over 70% of our planet's entire surface.
And here's the craziest part. Even though the oceans cover most of our world, we've explored less than 5% of them. Let that sink in. Less than 5%. That means the single biggest part of our own planet is still almost a complete mystery to us. Just imagine the secrets that are still waiting down there. Which brings me to one last secret. Because sometimes the most profound wonders aren't hidden deep in the sea or in some complicated underground network. Sometimes they're right there in front of us, hidden only by the way we look at them. I want you to picture a rainbow. We've all seen them, right? We see this beautiful, colorful arch stretching across the sky. But that's not the whole story. The truth is, rainbows are actually full circles. The only reason we see an arch is because the ground, the horizon, gets in the way. If you're in the right spot, say up in an airplane, you can see the entire thing, a perfect, complete circle of light. So it makes you wonder, right? If something as familiar as a rainbow is hiding a secret that big, what other wonders are out there, hiding in plain sight? Maybe the greatest secret of all is that this incredible hidden world, it isn't really far away at all. It's right here. And all we have to do is just pay a little closer attention.